Hi, welcome to our video. Today we're going to look at this nice Hammond wet or dry belt sander. It's a model 1000 VW, currently wired for 440 volts. Like I said, this machine can be used wet or dry. It has a step-down transformer mounted in the back so you could easily mount the cooling system. I'll go ahead and start it up for you. The work rest tilts so you can do it at different angles, or straight up square if you'd like. I want to shut it off so you can hear me. Belt tracking adjustment is over here on my left. Inside the cover, you'll see in the pictures, there is an air cylinder. This machine has an air hookup also. The air cylinder holds tension on the belt automatically. You don't have to adjust it. You can actually see the air cylinder, which is up with tension because the air is on already. And that's about it. It's a really nice machine. Thanks for watching our video.